What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about two coins today. We're going to be talking about Cake for Tank R or Tanker, and then we'll be talking about Digibyte for Jupiter World. I believe it's Jupiter World. Let's see. Jupiter Lord. I'm sorry, Jupiter Lord. Without any further ado, so we'll start with Cake, and then we will talk about Digibyte after that. So I'm just doing this in the order that they were requested. I know, Jupiter Lord, you said next video, Digibyte, but technically Tanker did request it first. So we're going to be doing that. Anyways, looking at this thing here, from this high to this low, we're at the 236 right now, baby. Oh, yeah. I like this, man. I like this a lot. This looks really good. Oh, yeah. Cake's going to go up. It's going to go up, you guys. It's going to go probably to this 382. I forget what I said in my last video. I don't remember what my last video was, but let's just see here from like this bottom to this top point here. You went to your 382. You found support. I'm sure I was bullish. If my video wasn't before or wasn't, if my video was after this day, then I'm sure I was bullish. If it was before this day, I might have been bearish to the 382. I forget what it was, but I would think right now you're sitting at 251. You're probably going to make a move up to about $4.50, $4.50. Very soon, very soon. Like when I say very soon, I mean within the next, by the end of the month, probably by the end of the month, assuming that we don't see some kind of major drop amidst all cryptos. You do have a rather ugly looking RSI. It is strong, but these lower highs are not a good look. You want to see the price get a little bit higher, get this high into the overbought zone and above this high here, and then that would really bring into the idea that we are going to go to this this 382 up here. Again, we just found support on this more minor 382 right there. Coming up, finding resistance on it wouldn't be weird at all. Previous area of resistance back over here, and you know, just from like your top to your bottom, this is a pretty significant fib scale to use. I wonder if we take it from your most like relative high. That's at like your 100, so maybe nothing there. I don't know, but yeah, I think holding this 236 like this, just grinding upwards, I would think that you do go higher. I like it a lot. Ooh, that bounce on the weekly looks nice too, man. Binance coin could do well, or this is, I mean, it's Pancake Swap, but you know, same thing, whatever. This could do well, man. This could do very, very well. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. Anyways, that's I guess that's all I got for this, man. I think it's going up higher, probably up to that 450 area in the next couple weeks. That's what I would say. And I think that there is going to be a drop this week, next week, maybe even the week after, within like that amount of time throughout crypto. I think we're going to see a pretty significant drop. This could be one of the coins that doesn't participate in that drop, or maybe it does, but it just does it afterwards, or it looks like it's going to go up higher, and then it just shits the bed with everything else, regardless of what the TA says, because it gets swept up in the commotion. But it could also just do its own thing, man. It really could do its own thing. But for right now, without the impending November drop that I predict for all crypto, most crypto, I should say, in mind, I like this. I like this up to 450. So moving on from there, that's all I got for Cake. We're moving on to Digibyte, DGB. Classic, man. I like Digibyte. I should get some Digibyte, honestly. I like Digibyte. I think it's a good one. USDT. No, let's use this one. Let's go on the weekly. Which one has the most data? July 2020. Isn't Digibyte older than that? USD on Bittrex. Oh yeah, it's a lot older. Bittrex, Binance. What about KuCoin? Nope. Maybe Bittrex is the one that we got to use. What about, let's see. Yep, we're going to use Bittrex. Okay. Bittrex it is. So looking at this thing on the monthly here, very nice looking chart, right? Most cryptos that have been around this long do not look this good, right? And I know it's had a dramatic drop. It didn't see that much of an increase in its last bull market, but how many cryptos really, like, there were some cryptos that saw dramatic increases, but cryptos that have been around this long, they didn't see too much of an increase in the last bull market. But you do have higher lows overall. Definitely a bullish posture chart. You know, you're going up. Nice to see. I do think you're on your way probably to new all-time highs this cycle. I want to see DGB. Digibyte. You've got a $135 million market cap. Is that right? Yeah, we'll call it 135. from the current price, if you were to go to new all-time highs, that would be a 20, almost a 22x. So a 10x would bring you up to a 1.35. A 20x would be a 2.7 billion dollar market cap. Yeah, this thing's definitely capable of going higher. I would even say that you're capable of seeing like a maybe not a 100x. Is that a that's a 20x there, yeah. So maybe not a 100x, but you could see something like a 30x, a 50x, somewhere in that range. Let's actually go and see where you might go. You might go up to 45 cents. Sure, that wouldn't be crazy at all. Let's see. Current price by the end of the cycle. So I'm talking about. Yeah, that's like a 55x. That wouldn't be too crazy. I don't think you see a 100x in this thing. I don't think that it's going to be. Or no, you could see a 100x. I'm sorry, man. I got thrown off. You absolutely could see a 100x in this because that would be 13 billion. Yeah, you could see all the way up to this 1618. Sure. Anywhere from 45 cents to $1.47. You could even see higher than that, man. You really could. I forgot. Sorry, I got a little mathematically challenged there. I've got some issues I'm working through, man. But we'll leave it at that. Looking at this thing on the daily for the more immediate stuff. I don't like the RSI. I want to look, if we're looking at the daily, I want to go to a chart that actually makes a little bit more sense. I kind of like this RSI, actually. I kind of like this move. A little bit of a pullback over the last couple days, huh? Maybe you continue to go lower. 13% drop, not too significant for most cryptos. Flat base of a bottom, but I think you're holding it, man. This might be a triple bottom of sorts. Kind of an ugly looking triple bottom, but let's see. Maybe from this high to this low here, you are, let's see, all the way at, you're at your 618, above your 618 area. It doesn't really look like you're respecting this a whole lot on a fib scale. So maybe that's not the high to use. Let's use a different high. Go to this high here. Maybe go to this low too. Okay. Yeah, a little bit more significant. Yeah, you're holding your 382 as support. I think you do go higher, man. I think you do. I think you're on your way right now to the 61869 area. Probably by the end of the month, you will probably see prices at about 1 to 1.05 cents. Somewhere up there. You're at 0.008 cents right now, so, or $0.008, I should say. You can move up to about a cent to 1.05 cents, something like that. 1.05, 0.0105. That's somewhere up here by the end of the month. I wonder, top to bottom, deep extensions up here. Yeah, looks good to me, man. Daily RSI looks very strong. No bearish divergence to mark your top just yet. Volume looks decent. You know, it's not like crazy, but it's decent. 4 hour looks nice, holding this oversold area pretty well. Bullish divergence on your 4 hour. Yeah. Let's see today close green. If you close below, basically if you close below this low point here, I'd say that goes out the window, and you're probably going to see a move that takes you back down all the way down to 0.007 to 0.0063, even somewhere in this range. High or low overall, but then you move up after that. But if you close below this wick today, really if you close red today, I would kind of be concerned that could happen. But as long as you close green, you can get back in this bullish area of control, hold a low at this area that you've been holding lows, found resistance before, held a low before, maintain this kind of positive structure in your RSI, right? You've got this channel going up. I would think that you see strides into your overbought zone again. Then you probably form some kind of bearish divergence and you see your top, but not before seeing about 1 cent in price to 1.05 cents. That's all I got. I don't think I have anything else I want to say. So if you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. I think DigiByte's going up in the short term. I think that this is a completely capable coin of seeing new all-time highs in this cycle. It is an OG coin after all. It's been around for quite a while, but Cake and DigiByte both look bullish right now. I would say they both look like they want to go higher. So that's all I got for you. A little bit extra, I suppose, before I go. Previous area of closing resistance, support. A little bit of support in this area. Resistance. Finding support on it now. not bad. Not too bad. All right, that's all I got. Take care. Have a good day. Good night, wherever you are. Bye-bye.